Boom shakalaka, macro trend shift for Bitcoin. Should you be worried? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, macro trend shift for Bitcoin. Should you be worried? Before we get into it, like the video, join us on Twitter, the Crypto Love, and of course subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos longer than anybody else. Now today, fear and greed at 20, extreme fear. We were in extreme fear last week. For the past week, we were in regular fear. Now back to extreme fear as the market dumps another 3.5% today. Bitcoin $82,030, Ethereum 2089, XRP 216, BNB 564, Solana 127, Cardano 74 cents, Dogecoin 17 cents, and Tron 23 cents. Now, Bitcoin following very nicely this red double top pattern overlay from the last cycle when we got wicked off. Now you can see this went sideways for a while before breaking down, which would put us down towards next level would be mid 70,000 and then all the way down to roughly $69,000 by the middle of April. Just recently we broke through trendline support, and as of right now, price is breaking below this orange line, the 200-day moving average, which kind of scary for Bitcoin. Doesn't do that too often in a bull run, except for right there. Pretty much the same territory we are in the consolidation from last year. We're seeing the same type of consolidation and price drop that if it dropped similarly, again, it would target the same 69,000-ish area, which coincidentally has this big spike in the volume profile right there. So all of those things happening, we have the biggest longs liquidation since the Celsius and FTX crashes. This was like bottom of the bear market in 2022. The worst of the worst. Pretty much this was the worst, and then this was even worse when everyone, the pit of everyone's stomach was like, it's going to zero, and guess what? Price went up from there. So could we be at the same type of thing where price is going to recover from here? It's possible. But right now, based on this crypto quant Bitcoin bull bear market cycle indicator, it has gone from bull to bear market. Now it may not last for that long, but this suggests Bitcoin is in the midst of a macro trend shift. Watch closely for the next big moves. And Peter Brandt, veteran trader, saying market completes double top, which we coincidentally just saw right here. Also, top retested by pennant. We see pennant completed, confirms bearish chart, which is this pennant right here. And then Bitcoin break down. He says that price must recapture 2, which is roughly $95,000 to turn positive. He has turned bearish as well. And the bears are coming out of the woodworks. Even people who call themselves the bull, they should change their name on Twitter to the bear, have posted a lot of bearish charts recently. Says, let me guess, Bitcoin can't drop like this. And if it does, it could certainly drop 70% or more once again, putting it into the $20,000 to $30,000 range for Bitcoin. Not outside the realm of possibility, unlikely at this current time, but not outside the realm of possibility. We have right now all of the Bitcoin longs being liquidated. It's about time to liquidate the shorts. Look at all of them piling up on top. Looks rather juicy for taking them out next. Whales and sharks have been accumulating as retail traders panic. You can see that whales started to sell right around February 19th, just as retail is encouraged from the bounce. But since March 3rd, the beginning of this month, they have been accumulating as retail continues to be bearish. They're accumulating once again, suggesting that, hey, maybe there's a reversal, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. Now, Bitcoin right now is testing very critical levels. The 38.2 fib level often highlighted the importance of the 38.2 fib in a bull market. And guess what? We are right there once again at $79,702. This critical level is the first stop. As long as it holds, the bull market continues. Now, if it breaks, oof, the sky is falling. There are some signs that are saying, hey, it might hold. We have a bullish divergence on the daily chart with the price going down, with the RSI coming up. That would be a bullish divergence, a bullish pattern in the charts. We also have the global M2 money supply showing strong upward momentum. And look at how nicely Bitcoin has followed that in terms of price. So maybe Bitcoin's just lagging behind a little bit, has a 3-month lead. Maybe that head start hasn't caught up with Bitcoin just yet. And also, historically, Bitcoin's market cap measured in gold ounces has followed a power curve, which you can see right here, and gold's recent strength is testing that relationship. But if you believe Bitcoin can't keep the pace, then we're at deep effing value right now, and the bull market hasn't even started. I mean, look at this. We're pretty much at the bottom of this power curve for Bitcoin to gold, which would mean there's a lot of upward room. This is $100,000, $200,000, $300,000, $400,000, $500,000 should we hit that top once again, which we hit a few cycles before. And talking about critical levels for Bitcoin, the most bullish monthly chart yet. Look at this, double top right here, flipped it. Now, could that resistance turn support and send Bitcoin to the next level? Well, a lot of people have compared this cycle to 2017 and 850 days into 2017 cycle. Look at what happened next. Guess what? We're at the same point. This is the pretty much same exact chart. Could we be following 2017 perfectly? And could we head all the way to the top over $1 million per Bitcoin? Holy freaking cow. That's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, there's a nice playlist with your name on it right up there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
Boom, shakalaka.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.